In this video, I want to show you how to make collage in an Instagram story. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you have to simply open up the Instagram app and make sure you have updated and logged in your Instagram account. And after that, you need to simply tap on your Instagram story option. Then open up the camera. Now in order to make the collage in an Instagram story, so you have to simply take a picture first. Then you can simply first select the background color for your Instagram story. So after that, you need to simply tap on the little sticker icon. Then you have to simply scroll down below, so you will find there is a image plus icon. So simply tap on the image. Now you can simply pick the random pictures for your collage. So you can see I have the picture. Then you can simply tap on the picture. You will find the different shapes. Once again, tap on the same sticker icon and use the same method. So with the help of this process, you can easily make your own collage on Instagram. So you can see I have added a couple of images on my Instagram story page with the different shapes, and now you can easily share your collage to your Instagram story. So simply tap on your story, and once you tap on this one, your story will be created here with the background color and with the different images. So this is called the collage in Instagram. So this is pretty simple and easiest way to make the collage in an Instagram story. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to get some more informative videos regarding Instagram, so keep subscribe this channel and turn on the bell notification icon for to get more latest video updates. Thank you so much for watching.